Hey y'all, we're at a house here in Mount Vernon, Texas. We came here last week and we had to come back because we made a mistake. We didn't measure one set correctly, so we have it measured now and we got it put on. Let me turn you around and show you. So this is a new set that we added, but I was going to tell y'all about this, that when you're doing a barndaminium, you got to use these special little screws for this metal, the steel. And sometimes we don't like putting them here, but you can see how the screws are not long enough and it wouldn't work if you put them here because it's too much of a space. So we had to do that, but I don't like that, but there's not much more you can do to get that to hold, because if you don't put that in there, it's gonna wiggle and we don't want it to wiggle. So yeah, but this is why I love my job. You get to see this beautiful that God created. Look at that, isn't that beautiful? But here's the house on the back side. And then she has a lot of stuff in her garden. Like, she's pretty good at that. Look at that. What is that? Leeks? Isn't that cool? That's cabbage, right?
What's left of it?
And that's your herbs.
That's my herbs and Brussels sprouts.
That's Brussels sprouts?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, look at that. Isn't that cool? She has a green thumb. That's for sure. Yeah, you do. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Look at that. Look at all that. And this is rosemary.
Rosemary, chives, sage,
Like, beautiful.
oregano, parsley, mint.
What is that?
Mint.
Mint? Love the way it smells. Oh, I love that. And that over there was leeks. Is that leeks?
These are leeks.
That's leeks. What's that over there?
This is Swiss chard. This is what the cows come in and eat.
Oh.
See how they nip it off. But yeah, this is great. So
What do you use that for?
you can cook it and eat it like spinach.
Oh.
You can chop it up, put it in your salads. It's a great,
That's cool.
great leafy vegetable.
Keep
Get out
that.
of my bed.
Oh, that mint smells good.
Mm-hmm.
I like how you did the tractor wheels.
Well,
That's
I
pretty
didn't have
cool.
anything else. These are skid steer tracks. They had them all in the bottom of that when we dug. When Steve had that pond dug,
Yeah.
he was looking for stuff to put down in the bottom, so when he puts fish in it, they can have something to build around.
Hmm.
I was coming through there. And
So y'all built that pond over there?
So I said, okay, I found what I need to do my beds. And he's like, what? I said, they're in the bottom of your pond. I need you to go get them out.
Go get those out. That's pretty cool. So what do you use leeks for?
Leeks are just like onions.
Just like onions.
So you can cut them and cook with them just like onions. You make leek soup. I put it with my potato soup. But yeah, you can use the whole plant all the way up to the green part. I dry a bunch of it.
That's so cool. The way you have everything. And you're planting stuff in here?
Not yet, but that's the next thing. So what I'll be putting in here, probably this next week, I'll plant beans.
Beans?
And then I'll string them up. I'll put string.
So you found a use for that.
Yeah. I always will find a use for something. And so then the beans will grow up, and then I'll put lettuce down the middle. So then the lettuce will be in the shade.
Oh, cool.
And then probably put peppers in that one or that one.
See, y'all, that's why you always need to live out in the country. I guess you can do this in the city too, in your backyard, but Everybody needs to eat like this.
Oh, it's better for you.
Yeah, it's better for you. And she has her little flowers going.
A lavender.
Cool.
So
I like this little thing, that chicken and that egg.
the cows got in here and messed with it. They
Isn't that pretty?
my daisies down. So we got to work on them this week. But look here, here's my.
I like your boot that you did.
Well,
that
I
boot.
got that for Christmas, and I told my friends, like, I said, well, you can't get a better boot for us. It's either got cow poop on it, or chicken poop on it, or mud on it, or something. But so it's appropriate right there at the front door.
And what are these two?
These are figs, fig trees.
Fig trees.
We love figs, so they should. Once they get big, they should get as big as this whole area. So.
Yeah, they have a beautiful place out here.
And now it just got pretty. We put a little icing on the cake with our shutters.
All right, so now you know what the shutters look like. Chicky on a little tour of her garden. She does awesome. And they have a beautiful place. They have 800 acres. Yeah, they have 800 acres. This is her little fur babies.
All a bunch of misfits. Everything was thrown out. Even Peggy.
This just really made this house pop. It was a hard one to do because of the metal, but we did it. But you can see what it looks like all the way around. You can see why they wanted shutters, because it just added a whole lot to this place. Yeah, just look at God's country, y'all. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I would love to sit out here and just admire all of that. That's just awesome. So pretty. But anyway, y'all, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Tomorrow I have another video of us making shutters, so I will let you do that. Also, I will be checking on the guys. We are doing some painting and a bathroom remodel. I will be putting that on my videos too, so keep watching, and please like and subscribe. That means a lot to me. And leave comments, y'all, please. Thanks, y'all. Bye.